What's good, squad? It's your boy Twampson back with another mukbang. It's been a minute, I know, my bad. Life situations pop up. Can't always get to this mukbangs like I want to, but I'm back with another mukbang, and it's still balling on a budget. Today we got Domino's again, but today I'm coming at you with this taco chicken pizza. Damn. Woo. But yeah, you see a slice missing because I gave my cousin a piece. But yeah, man, we're gonna try this taco chicken pizza from Domino's and seeing what it do. As well as getting ready to see the Lakers knock off the Nuggets. All you LeBron haters, you about to be mad tonight. If the whole squad could play and step up, I need everybody to hit for over 15. The whole Lakers squadron. If they could do that, they'd be alright. But if not, and they continue to let my boy Jamal Murray play the way he's been playing, I don't know. It just might go to 7. Got a little ranch. Got to get a little ranch added to the flavor of this taco chicken pizza. Okay, Domino's, I see you. I see you. This shit really do taste like a taco. It's bomb. Oh yeah. That's him right there. I could do that. This is it. I highly recommend this. Want a bite? Take a bite. Alright, get back. Fire, huh? I told you it's burn. I love these fools. Chuck, EJ, Shaq, and Kenny Smith. They be getting me weak. They be getting on Chuck. Especially Shaq. He be on Chuck's helmet. He like, well, don't make me throw this iPad at you. What's up, Chuck? You want to throw? He always want to fight Chuck. He be having me weak. But yup. You're going to see tonight why LeBron is the man. If you don't think he's the man. LeBron been the man ever since he stepped into the league. Let's just keep it 100. But as time went on and his game developed all around the spectrum, you can't deny LeBron ain't that man. Come on. What more does this cat got to do to prove that he is this generation's GOAT? He is the man after Mike. Believe that. Not taking away from all the other superstars in the league, too. Don't get it twisted. There's plenty of them. But I'm just saying. The league, the face of the league, Bron. All day. But anyway, how you guys been doing, man? I hope you guys have been good, staying healthy, doing what you do to make yourself happy, doing what you do to make your family happy, taking care of your kids. I know a lot of your kids is probably getting on y'all's nerves because they've been at home doing their schooling. But hey, you signed up to be a parent, so handle that. But overall, hope everyone's doing well. As for me, I'm maintaining. I'm doing what I do. Keeping my head above water. It's not easy. I'll tell you that. It's not easy by any means, but I'm gonna hold it down. I believe that. But you know, I just want to say, with all the injustice going on in the world, with everything, I mean, anything you could think of outside of your household, I know it's some chaos, some crazy situation, and it don't look good. But as far as this justice we trying to receive, I hope you guys got your own viewpoints on what's going on, and it's sad, man. Can't get no justice for shit. No matter what we do to try to get the government's attention, we just don't get it in our favor. And until you can know what that really feels like, you won't never understand it. You can put your 2 pennies in it from on the outside looking in, but if you ain't really experiencing that and know what that feels like based on the complexion of your skin tone, you just don't really know what these people out here are trying to do to make change. But I hope everybody's staying out the way, you know, concentrating on you and yours, but at the same time really waking up to see what's going on the outside. It's heartbreaking. I think God is really trying to tell us something. Or he's been telling us. It's just now coming back to life. Everything he said is happening. Everything in the Bible that said is happening right now. Whether you're a believer or not, it's happening. Y'all just got to get prepared and stay ready. And if you're not a prayer warrior, try it out. It ain't going to hurt you. Ain't nothing wrong with a little prayer, man. It go a long way. Trust me. Believe me. It works. Believe me. It works. You want to call it coincidence. You want to call it circumstance. I don't care what you call it. I'm a believer. I have faith. I pray about everything. And I see it come into fruition. So you can't tell me nothing when it comes to my faith. But all I'm saying is, if you're going through some hardships, you're having some hard times, everywhere you look, you seem like things is just crumbling before your eyes, and you need peace of mind, and you got no one to talk to him. Talk to the man above about everything. He listening. Trust me. It's just up to you to open your mouth and start saying what you need to say. But yeah, if you just tuning in, this is that Domino'S chicken taco pizza mukbang / review. And I'm on my 3rd piece, and it's fire. It's fire. Well, what's poppin', squad? What y'all got going on this weekend? I believe we got, or this is the last week of September 2020. We're about to hit October. I'm very interested in to see what's going to happen for Halloween. You know, with the COVID going around, people gonna be passing out candy. Y'all gonna be passing out candy, or that ain't happening this year? I want to know. Because I see the costume shops back, opened up. So, you know, they selling costumes. But I want to know if there's going to be any trick-or-treaters. Are people going to be COVID conscious? Like, you don't know how many people been touching the rappers, yo, on that COVID, woo, 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 woo. Which I'm not knocking by any means. I ain't knocking that at all. To each his own. But, honestly, in my opinion, I don't think there's going to be any trick-or-treaters. That's just me. Damn, this is good. It tastes really like a chicken taco. Real talk. The sauce, the chicken, everything. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it if you're a pizza eater. Domino'S chicken taco pizza. And it's on special too. I got a large for $13. And nah, not because it's trash, because it's bootsy. Nah, it was just, they're doing a promotional discount right now. And I'm glad, because normally this shit would have been probably like $25. But it's fire. This dude Chris Webber be getting me weak with his suits, man. His suits be clean, but they be hella snug. Like, damn, Chris, bro, can you breathe in that shit, C-Web? That shit look tight. Literally. Oh, Joker. Dwight Howard finna get in your ass. He finna tell you, yeah, there go the king. Let's go. Let's go to get this chip. Bring the chip back to Cali. Toronto, y'all got that shit on the fluke. Nah, I ain't rocking with that. We need that chip back in Cali. ASAP. But yep. What time is it? 5:30? My boy Kanto's supposed to be playing for no parking on the dance floor, excuse me. No parking on the dance floor on Twitch. Him along with a few of the other homies. I'm gonna have to check that out. But I gotta check out this first half of the game first. My bad, Brody. You know how I gotta see Bron. I know you ain't tripping off Bron Kantos. You don't like that cat, no way, but I'm gonna check you out in a minute. Just hold on. Jamal Murray raw though. Salute to him. He raw. He only 23. Bruh is only 23. Coming out of Kentucky. He's raw. But yep. I'm gonna get to this playoff game. I hope y'all good. Be good. Spread love. Not hate. Do what y'all do and do it well. It's your boy Twampson, and I'm out.